Okay. Hi, my name is Tommy Margaritis, and I am the Coca-Cola Zero spokesperson. So, would you like to try to see if the Coke Zero is a better Coke than the regular Coca-Cola and other products?
So what kind of tests are these going to be at?
Well, first off, we are going to blindfold you and then have you drink Coca-Cola Zero and other products.
Okay.
And see if you like the taste of Zero better. Would you like to,
So, the family cock here is going to taste different things and tell you which one's the best?
Correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Do it.
Big man agrees. Let's do it. Okay, so first, take a lovely seat on this nice comfortable bed. We will blindfold you with this Coca-Cola.
Don't get any kinky ideas though.
Hi. Don't worry about it. Alright, we're gonna fix that. This is not a lack of added. Okay, so trial number one. Take a whiff of that. No, I mean the sip. Good?
Tastes like regular Coke.
Maybe you're right. Try this one. So now, tell me right now, which one do you like better, the first drink or the second one?
This is phenomenal. I think this one.
Okay, next. Let's take a no, just stay there. Take a whiff of that. Okay, now take a sip of that. Which one did you think was better?
The first one had a nice pungent smell to it. But this one again.
Okay. Now take a whiff of this.
Smells a little toasty.
Okay, now try that.
Are you doing yet?
Please, we're trying to work professionally here.
Just so you know, you guys are 2 minutes over.
We're almost over.
Hey sir, go away please.
We're gonna give you 3 more minutes. After
Which
that,
is better? Which is better?
you got 3 minutes over.
The first one is kind of crispy to me. The second one's nice and sweet, so the second one.
Okay, so we're improving. Now, bend over a little bit. Okay. Now take a whiff of that. Now, take a sip of this, sir.
Smells like farts and Coke to me.
Which one did you like better?
It's a tough one. The first one feels familiar. But again, the second one.
Right on. Now, for the final test. Open your mouth wide. Hey, come on. We gotta be serious here. Whiff. Okay. Now, take a sip of that juicy drink.
What's the question?
Okay, now let's take off your... Did you like that better or the sock?
I think the socks, sir.
And there you have it, folks. Coca-Cola Zero outdoes socks.
Woo!